In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp form that turns submissions into tasks. First, make sure you're in the right place. Log into your ClickUp account and open the specific list where you want new tasks to land. Starting in the correct list is important because every form submission will instantly become a task here, keeping your workflow organized from the start. Next, let's create the Form View. At the top of your workspace, right next to your space name, click the plus icon. From the menu of view types, select Form. This opens the Form Builder, where you'll design the experience your submitters will see. ClickUp gives you a head start with templates like feedback forms, project intake, order forms, job applications, and IT requests. These can save time, but if you want full control over fields and layout, choose Start from Scratch. That way, everything you add is tailored to your process. To brand your form, add a cover image. At the top, click Add Cover, then use the image icon to replace the default graphic. Upload a logo or a simple visual that aligns with your brand. It's a small touch that builds trust and makes the form feel professional. Now set the title and description. Click the headline to name your form clearly, like Client Project Intake or Customer Feedback Form. Then add a concise description explaining who should use the form, what happens after they submit, and any key instructions, such as asking them to attach a brief or scope document. Clear guidance reduces back and forth later. Let's add questions. Click Add Question and choose the field type that fits the information you need. Short or long text, drop-downs, checkboxes, yes/no, date, number, or file upload. After picking the type, enter a straightforward label like email address, project description, or deadline. Then click Create. Repeat for all required fields. Think name, company, budget, priority, and attachments, keeping the form as short as possible while still collecting what your team needs. Before sharing, configure your form settings. Open the Settings tab to customize the form URL for easy sharing. Enable Google reCAPTCHA if your form is public to reduce spam, and set basic SEO options if you'll embed the form on a website. If available on your plan, turn on notifications so you're alerted immediately when someone submits. Use the Preview tab to see the form from a submitter's perspective. Refine the order of questions, adjust wording, add clarifying notes, and fix any layout issues to streamline completion. Finally, share your form. Copy the form URL from Settings or Share, and distribute it via email, your website, chat tools, or social media. Every submission will automatically create a new task in the list you chose, complete with all the answers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.